I need it in wood.
Which one? The elephant.
Oh, okay. Nå, men vi er næsten lige kommet.
Here, this one? No,
Ja, allerede
big
stoppet.
elephant. You have the
Do you have a smaller one of these? Like in yep, small in wood. Oh yeah, you do have it. Perfect.
2 piece 100. 2 for 100.
Oh, okay, cool.
Anyone?
Do you have a bigger one? Like slightly bigger, or
Bigger
in?
than this, I have the color one.
But in like wood or anything?
Wooden no make.
Oh, okay.
Only the bronze I'm raising.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Here. It's raising. And you are big. Big also have here. Just this size.
Oh, okay.
And that one. This is resin. Made in resin.
Oh, neat.
Nice. Make you discount.
How much?
690. So, you like? I will make you my best price. 500. Same price.
500.
Make you pay 500 for you. Special price. Thailand, lucky. You know the guys.
I'm just concerned about weight for my suitcase. That's why I was looking for a smaller one.
Not that one. Smaller. There.
You take 2? Can I see the difference?
Yeah, this color.
Actually,
How much you can? If you like, how much you can?
for that one,
How much you can?
I mean,
White one? Yeah, I can. How much you can?
I'm more scared about weight in my suitcase. That's
Just little bit, little. No heavy. How much you can?
I could do maybe
How much? Bronze, no?
let's say about like 400, give or take.
Which color you like?
I do like the black and gold though. That one looks way better. Yeah. Yep.
Okay, for you. Good luck.
Oh, she found it? Oh, like how big is it?
Only this.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Wrapping.
Actually, let me go get some money and then I can come back.
No money for you?
Not on me. I just spent it on this. Yep. I gotta go. I'll come back.
If you want to give you 400 for your price, okay, you can ask for money from the her.
Yep. Okay. I'll be back. Thanks. Yeah. So from 690 to 400. I gotta go get money out from the machine.
Yeah,
Yep. I'll come back. Yep. Thanks.
no money.
Okay. I'm definitely not going back. But I did find the small ones.
You could just be like, no.
Oh, well, I did talk her down from 700 to 400.
There's 3 different colors.
Oh, okay, sweet.
50, so it's not down to 200, and then try to go down more, but it's 200 right now.
200? Okay. Yeah, I just found another one for, it was 700, but I'm like, it's way too big.
Over there. I think this one's nice. Black one.
Oh, okay, neat. Do they have any statues? Do you guys have any, like, statue ones that, like, stand? Oh, man, this is way too much.
Oh, so this is hanging on the wall.
Do you guys have any that stand like this?
ใส่โต๊ะ
ตั้ง
โต๊ะใส่ตั้ง
ได้
ตั้ง
นี่ไง
ได้ you can
ติดนี่
it stands
เอากาวตาช้างสอง
ใส่
ไม่ใช่กาวตาช้าง เอากาวสองหน้าติดตั้งอยู่นะคะ
oh you have to glue it
เอากาวตาช้างติด
Oh, okay.
กาวสองหน้าติดตั้งได้ อันใหญ่ด้วย
เราก็เข้าช็อปเล็กเอาอย่างนี้
ตั้งได้ค่ะ ตั้งได้ ชัวร์ตั้งได้เดี๋ยวมันจะตกเตะ
it stands
It's okay.
ตั้งได้อยู่เลย
but it's not full
Well, I found the one where he's standing there with like the sword one, like in front of the things. Yeah, I definitely like that. That looked better.
มีหลายลายอันนี้290 90ก็ให้ไป200
Oh, no, thanks.
But this is the one for now. Lótได้ไหมคะ
ให้200จ้าเอากี่อันคะ
สามอันลดได้ลด
โอเคค่ะเดี๋ยวช่วยที่เสร็จให้3 อันประมาณมัน600ให้ไป550
550
She's got these.
She went down 50 for each.
เขาเห็นขายอยู่นี่290ใช่ไหมก็จะให้200
It's 200. 450ก็ลูกค้า
500 อันตัวขึ้นตามเพราะว่าจะเปิดบินเช้าโอเคเนาะโอเค
Oh my god.
The statue, right? Did you buy it, right? Or this is not what you need?
It was good, but I don't know. 400 sounds like a lot.
400 something.
400 baht?
400 is less than $20.
Oh shit! I should have taken it. Because I talked her down from 700.
It's less than $20. You want it? Go.
How much?
Yeah, I think I might actually go back and grab that one.
I did 300.
You buy this whole thing?
She just wants 3.
ก็ให้เท่าที่ต่อไปแล้วกัน450พิเศษเลยจริงๆอยากเปิดบินไงคะเพราะว่าเรายังไม่ได้เปิดบินเลยค่ะเอาไหมเขาเอาไหมเท่าพี่ต่อ450ให้เท่าพี่ต่อ450อ่ะ
450.
For 3?
For 3.
For 3? Holy shit! Oh, these actually really nice though. She can't understand me. Oh, okay. She can't understand me. Great.
The Buddha one is not. Yeah. 400ได้ไหม
โอเคเอาไปเปิดบินค่ะ
400.
อย่าต่ออีกนะเพราะราคานี้ให้สุดๆเลยนะคะ
โอเค
ดูได้ค่ะ
Yeah.
อันนี้โบนี่มันจะ390นะคนละราคานะ
Oh, the gold
แต่
is
ถ้าตัวนี้ได้ตัวนี้ได้ตัวนี้โอเค
this one.
อันนี้ก็โอเคได้
Okay, the gold is more expensive.
Côนี้มันจะแพงกว่าโอเคเอาให้เขาไปก็ได้จริงๆขายอยู่390ให้เขาไปก็ได้
Do you have change for 500?
I just
No.
got all my food. I didn't even have enough to pay.
200?
I owed David money.
Your phone guys use a SIM card, Thai SIM card, right?
Yeah.
Can I call borrow his card?
Oh, what's the number?
Just
I
use
line.
line.
I just use the line.
It's almost 1 o'clock.
Are we gonna cut this?
Did you guys have a friend?
Okay. I have 300. I need 4 flat because I feel like that lady's so like pissed. I'd be like, I have 400. Oh wait. Yeah, if I drop a 500, okay, can I borrow 100 from you then? And then I'll get you back after.
Really?
Because I'm scared of whipping out that 500. She's gonna be like, oh, cool, thanks.
Just tell her, be like, I only have 400.
Yep. Okay, perfect. Or actually, yeah, no, I'm just gonna
Just take
do this.
5 just in case.
Okay.
In case.
Well, I have the 500 bill.
Put 100 in the other pocket. unable to make
Oh,
calls.
smart. Actually, let's go the other way.
Sam, do you have a phone?
Anita,
Anita,
can you try to call Sam?
mine's not working. I don't know. No connection.
Oh.
We'll wait right here.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yep. Yep. I told you I need to go get money.
But you have money, but you don't like to buy. You just say like that.
No. I told you I need to go get money. I wasn't joking. Yeah. Can I see that one and the white one again?
Yeah. This one is nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yep, this one. You see it?
Yeah, I think the black and gold looks better.
This one, right? Yeah. Any more?
Cool.
You don't look more?
Trinket.
Yeah. Have more Ganesha. Color Ganesha. A black and gold also have. Okay. You want to do? Black
Actually,
one?
yeah. So for like this guy,
From where you? Singapore?
me?
You?
Oh no, from Canada.
Canada?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Original Indian, huh?
Yeah, pretty much.
Indian?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, that's good. Okay, cool.
take a discount. This smaller 190. This one is 390. If you like, I will make you 280 baht. This one 150. Okay, 250 for you because you buy this also. So together 400 and this 250 is 650 baht.
650.
Yeah. The price only for you. I sell 300 to these people. For you, I make just 250.
Okay, so 250 and
This
400?
400, right.
Okay.
650, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
50, yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Yeah,
Have a
thanks.
nice day.
Yep, you too.
ทำไมนักหนา
Oh, thanks.
ก็คือมาให้ฟรี
Well, meet you guys in the food court.
She's like, okay, how much?
Don't eat too much, though, eh?
Yeah, she,
You should eat more because you can stretch your stomach a little bit.
do they?
Yeah. You have to look for it, but this is the only one I see.
How much are those?
100. David,
Hey.
this is you.
Oh, neat.
Oh,
But this is the only one. This I know Tim would like.
how much
this
is
one.
that?
It's 100.
I don't wear this.
No, I mean
Actually, that other the other green one looked really good.
Well, you can have the green one if you want. I know Tim doesn't. I thought I wouldn't see it, but if I have. I think this is it. Wow.
I can help for you. Sorry.
มีหมูอ่ะ
มีหมูนะคะ
Oh my god, they have the bugs. Oh, and then I talked her into, I was looking at a Ganesh thing, and then she's like, oh, regular 400 baht. And I'm like, oh, okay, that's nice. He's like, okay, I'll give you a special deal, 300 baht. I'm like, okay, that's still nice. And then she's like, okay, 250 baht. Yeah. I'm like, he's like, final offer. I'm like, okay.
You got it?
Yeah, I got that too. Yeah.
You got two?
Yep.
Yeah, you did nothing.
I played the tourist card.
Oh my god, Christina, you should have got a case soap. It's so much more bigger. It's huge.
Yeah, and they have like writing on it too, so you could read a book while you're.
It's inside too. Oh, that's the one that you would have liked. That one back there.